So my next Chinese dish I'm going to make is beef with peppers. I do like a Chinese. So I've got some frying steak and I've put it in a hot wok with some vegetable oil and some dark soy sauce. I'm going to add some garlic, my faithful lazy garlic I know, and some ginger. Fry that up so it coats all the meat. I love the smell of ginger. So that's coated all up. I'm going to add a tablespoon of rice wine. You can buy this at Tesco. It smells good too. Mix all that in. Getting a nice coating there. And then I'm adding 1.5 peppers and an onion. Now don't forget, any leftovers you can freeze, or if you make too much. Or after lockdown you can have a dinner party. Stir that up for a bit. So I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes and then I'm going to add some stock and then I'm going to let it cook for 10 or 15 minutes just to let my peppers, my onions soften a bit, and then we'll thicken it just before serving. Beef in peppers. So I've thickened my sauce up with a bit of cornflour. And there you have Chinese beef in peppers. I suppose you don't have to use beef, you could have chicken or something else. Ooh, there you go. Delicious with some prawn crackers.